Good day everyone. As marine engineers, our professional domain essentially revolves around two core responsibilities. First, running the machinery we are assigned to operate, and second, maintaining that machinery to ensure it continues to run smoothly. Both these roles are deeply interconnected. A well-maintained machine will always perform better and reduce the likelihood of breakdowns. And that's exactly why today's topic, the theory of maintenance, is so important. It's not only about what we do, but about why we do it. What is maintenance? When we talk about maintenance, we are referring to all the actions we take to keep a piece of machinery in proper working condition, to make sure it performs its intended function safely, efficiently, and reliably. This includes inspections, lubrication, adjustments, repairs, and replacements. In simple terms, maintenance is preventing failure before it happens. The best maintenance is the one that avoids breakdown altogether. Evolution of shipboard maintenance regimes. Let's look at how shipboard maintenance system evolved. Historically, maintenance practices were developed from experience of ship owners, chief engineers, and classification societies. Classification societies or class began imposing inspection and certification rules on ship machinery and hulls. Shipping companies, wanting to protect their asset and reputation, went beyond class requirements, introducing their own in-house maintenance plans. Over time, more organizations like the IMO and flag states added their influence. So today, the shipboard maintenance regime is the result of decades of practical experience, regulation, and continuous improvement. Traditional maintenance philosophy. Traditionally, maintenance at sea has been time-based. This means machinery is overhauled or inspected at fixed time intervals. For example, annual, intermediate, and special surveys typically spread over a 5-year cycle. The underlying idea is simple. If we regularly service our machinery, we reduce the chance of unexpected breakdowns. This method has worked well for a long time and continues to be foundation of most shipboard maintenance programs today. Modern trends and technology. However, with the advancement of technology, we are now moving towards smarter maintenance strategies. With modern sensors, data logging systems, and performance monitoring tools, we can continuously observe machinery behavior. By analyzing this data, we can predict when maintenance will actually be needed, rather than doing it simply because a calendar date says so. This is called condition-based or predictive maintenance. It's just-in-time approach that helps save time, reduce costs, and prevent unnecessary disassembly of machinery. The need for a maintenance philosophy. Now, you might ask, why do we need to understand the philosophy behind maintenance? In most cases, ship engineers are told exactly what to do by the company or by the class surveyor. But as future chief engineers and decision makers, you should understand why these tasks are necessary. A sound maintenance philosophy allows you to diagnose issues more effectively, optimize maintenance schedules, avoid unnecessary overhauls, and manage the vessel's reliability and safety more intelligently. Objective of shipboard maintenance. The core objective of any shipboard maintenance program is to ensure uninterrupted operation of the vessel. Unplanned downtime affects not only safety but also the commercial interest of the shipowner. A vessel delayed because of machinery breakdown can result in financial loss and loss of reputation. Therefore, maintenance aims to keep machinery available, safe, and efficient while ensuring compliance with all class and statutory requirements. Defining the theory of maintenance. So after understanding all these aspects, let's define the concept clearly. The theory of maintenance can be defined as the systematic study of the principles and methods that ensure machinery reliability, operational continuity, and safety through planned, preventive, and condition-based actions. In other words, it's not just about doing maintenance, it's about understanding the reasoning, the timing, and the method behind it. The future direction. Looking ahead, the industry is gradually shifting from time-based maintenance towards risk-based and data-driven strategies. With technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and digital twins, ship can now predict machinery failures even before they happen. This allows maintenance to be planned in advance, safely, efficiently, and economically. The focus is moving towards reliability, sustainability, and performance optimization. To summarize today's lecture, maintenance is not merely a task, it's philosophy of reliability and preparedness. The traditional time-based system, while effective, is now evolving into a smarter, predictive system using technology. The theory of maintenance helps us think critically about what we do, why we do it, and how we can do it better. As marine engineers, understanding this theory empowers you to move from being simply operators to being true custodians of the ship's machinery health. Before we end, remember the ocean doesn't forgive carelessness. Preventive maintenance is your first defense against failure, and understanding the theory behind it is what makes you a professional marine engineer. In the next lecture, we will explore the different terminology in detail. Thank you.